Welcome to HeartEcho Stories, where real lives echo through every word and quiet courage speaks the loudest. We share true and tender stories of ordinary people walking through extraordinary seasons, rebuilding after heartbreak, starting over at 60, uncovering long-hidden truths, and choosing hope when everything feels lost. Each video is written, narrated, and produced using AI tools, but every emotion is unmistakably human. Our stories are more than narratives. They are reflections of resilience, empathy, and the silent battles many carry within. If you've ever felt broken, but not beyond repair, if you've ever needed to hear you're not alone, if you believe in the beauty of second chances, then make yourself a cup of tea and settle in. Because you're not just watching stories here, you're feeling them. Subscribe now and join us as we listen to the echoes of the heart, one story at a time.